Hello, our WebTitan team developed a survey creation website as a group project during the web application development course. Now we will begin the presentation about the development of our program survey site. To complete this project, Ali Khalil, Maha Nasil, Alessandra Primatasta, Tanya Trump, Yair Choi, Tyler Dakin work together. I will provide a brief overview of the features of the survey site. This program is a web-based survey application that includes 4 diverse templates, allowing users to choose according to their needs. Additionally, the processes of survey creation, editing, and deletions are intuitive and user-friendly. However, please note that in order to use this program, you must complete a membership authentication process requiring registration and login. During the planning phase, our team used visual design mockups known as wireframes to discuss the arrangement of elements on each page. Additionally, we employed sitemap tools to plan the relationships and hierarchical structures between web pages. However, despite multiple attempts, we are unable to use Angular effectively due to the functionality issues. Before demonstrating the functionalities of our survey site on the next screen, I will provide a brief explanation of how it operates. When users see the initial screen, they need to click on Click Here. This action takes them to a page for authentication. Authenticated user obtained privilege to create surveys and can utilize the provided service. Now I will be demonstrating the functionalities of the survey site currently running on Heroku. Following that, we will take a closer look at the code within the app.js file. This is the main screen of the survey site. I will try clicking on all the tabs. All tabs, including Home, About, Contact, Survey, Login, are functioning properly. Of particular note is the Survey tab. Currently, in the state before user authentication, it is evident that users do not have permission to access the services on the survey page. This program is designed to enable survey creation services only after successful user authentication, with the process initiated by clicking here. Subsequently, users are directed to the login screen. As a part of the authentication testing, we will initially attempt to log in using an unregistered username and password, and thus we can anticipate an authentication failure. In the following step, I will register using the username and password that were utilized earlier. Upon completion of the registration process, authentication takes place simultaneously, and users are immediately directed to the survey page where they can access the survey. To verify the login functionality, I will attempt to log in again using the credentials that were just registered. Upon successfully logging in, I was immediately redirected to the survey page where survey creation is enabled. From now on, I will utilize the 4 templates to create the 4 survey questionnaires and then proceed to edit, cancel, and delete them in order to verify the proper functionality of this program. Now you confirmed all 4 templates and the buttons used are functioning properly without any issues. When users are done and log out, they are directed to the main screen. If they navigate back to the survey page, they will lose access to the service. Lastly, let's take a brief look at the code in the app.js file. This file contains the necessary modules for the program's execution. Among them, the key modules include the Express module required for simplifying web application development, the Passport modules for authentication in Node.js, and the Mongoose modules for interacting with the MongoDB database. These modules are exported and serve their respective functionalities. Our major challenge was in implementing Angular. This was because we encountered ongoing issues when attempting to integrate it into the final version of our survey site. To overcome this drawback of not being able to use Angular, we shifted our focus towards enhancing the original project's UI design, aiming to improve the overall appearance and user experience of the survey site. If we could start the project again, we would utilize Angular in our original survey site. If we were given more time, we would enhance our survey site with several new features to further improve it. This includes expanding the survey template options to incorporate various formats such as true and false and ranked 1 to 5, offering users a wider range of choices. Additionally, we would enhance customization, allowing users to add additional questions and mix different question types within a single survey. Furthermore, we would enable seamless sharing of user-generated survey on social media platforms. With this, we will conclude the final presentation about the survey site program created by our team WebTitans. Thank you for listening.